this sketching, we'll start painting. Okay, this is study. One sketch done. This is one study. So it's to go. Circle. Circle is a very important, this part of like a circle, like this. Okay. Now, after circle, I just create straight line. This character this side, exactly middle, I just do this. Okay, and make sure the oval like this, oval. So make sure this two lines should be looks same kind of. Okay. Hey Anshika, good morning. How are you? Anshika, good morning. How are you? Is that audible, my voice, beta? So after this things, we are going to just extend the line. This is a nose line. We'll go ahead this. This nose line. Okay. In this cases, I do this. The forehead part is bigger. Okay, small nose part is doing smaller. Intentionally do little small the nose part. Forehead part bigger. Okay, and smaller than the forehead part. The chin part is like this, not that bigger. So here the line is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is biggest part is this forehead part. This part is the biggest. This part smaller, and this also bigger than the smaller. In these cases, okay. Mind it, we are doing. We can change the you can change the proportion of according to the character. Okay, very simple. Now, when my features is ready, so we're just creating my basic features is this. Okay, basic feature is this. We are going to write like this. Okay, so basic features is like this. We are going to here. This line little bit up down this way. Okay, and then the neck size should be this distance between this here and here. Okay, so my basic thing is done. We are add on the characterization. So here I want to draw the double chin. The characters is double chin kind of. Okay, this is a small nose. Okay, this is the features. Here is a, you can use this ear part. Okay, just little extends the hair part. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Just after this drawing. This is a study. So I make this the double chin. Some people have double chin like this, usually more when character is aged after 40, 45. So this double chin fact is coming for everybody. Mostly the most aged man or fat man, this, like a fat body structure fidgets. That's coming double chin. This is the double chin. Okay. So when your features is clear, then it is very easy to understand that we're creating this here. Hairstyle plus maybe like this. Okay, so this is the practice sessions, how you apply your different positions. Here the forehead is so bigger than the smaller nose line, so I can make it this eyebrow line. Better always first to nose. I make the nose a little smaller. just do this very roughly. The shadow part of this character, like this part is the shadow. Basically that much double chin. The aged person always this some in eye. I lower the eye line. Build the muscles. But this character is different. This American. Here to here I divided this. Also 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the mouth part. Okay, here you can create this. Okay, so according to the proportion change, the character looks also coming change. Okay, this you can see the changes. So this is a help you when you are creating the character, your own ideas. That time it's really help you. So you can freely can change the proportion, whatever it is a normal proportion of human. So you can change it. So this characters, it's completely looks like a not Indian, right? So because I'm sometimes show Indian character also, but mostly the research works I use Western character. I show this Indian features also as well. Okay, so make this random setting. Okay, this practice always help you to create beautiful skill, line skill. This is develop your skill. The chin person, double chin, because it's little fatty this character. Okay. Hope you understand that.